So if you open an Etsy store and things went really well, then all of a sudden you couldn't keep up with demand because you're the only one making your products, you're probably asking yourself, what do I do next? How do I scale my business? And how do I keep up with demand? We really have two options. One option is to outsource your production to a local manufacturer. You could hire somebody across the country that you deal with, or the other option is to hire employees, get a space. Both are incredibly, let's just say, both are incredibly expensive. And so you're likely wanting to do something that's really cost efficient, and neither of those options give you that. So the other option that you have that people don't realize to scale your business is distributed manufacturing. Now, distributed manufacturing is where you hire people to make, pack, and ship your products from all over the country. You could even do this from all over the world if you wanted to. So next question is, who do I hire? I recommend people hiring contractors to start out before you go ahead and hire full-time employees in other states. There might be some legal red tape that you're running into that you won't be aware of. There's some legal hurdles there. So I just recommend people hire contractors and have that 1099, those 1099 payouts for those contractors. Make sure they're near your customers and have the equipment that they need to make your products, and then pay what you can based on the margins that you have for your products. But before you hire, go through a sample process, review the samples with them, and make sure that the quality is up to your standards and that you can rely on them when they need to ship out products to your customers. And you've designed great products. Your time should be spent building your business and not just making your products. I did this, so I know others can do it too. I have several people across the US making my products right now, and you can check out my company, lonebirch.co. You may be scaling your Etsy business and you have an Etsy store, but I recommend getting Shopify. Etsy is great for individual sellers, but when you start hiring people and start paying money for labor and for people to make your products, the fee structure just isn't great for that on Etsy. And I recommend, if you don't already, have a Shopify store. If you want to know more about how I maintain quality, how I hire people, how I decide where to hire people to make my products, go ahead and ask in the comments below. Happy to answer. Thanks.